I wish I knew this before when I was in school. Let me teach you quickly how you can create these amazing animations using PowerPoint. Use any two images of your choice. Click on Picture Format and select the frame for both images. Now reduce the size of both images and place in center. Format the background and choose any color of your choice. Now duplicate the first slide 2 times. On the first slide, select First Image, go to Insert tab, and in Actions we will use Hyperlink to Next Slide. Click OK. Click on Second Image and hyperlink it to Last Slide. Click OK. On the second slide, in Actions tab, hyperlink to First Slide. Click OK. Use the same Action tab for Second Image and hyperlink it to Last Slide. Click OK. On the third slide, hyperlink the first image to previous slide and use Hyperlink First Slide for second image. Reduce image sizes as shown on slides 2 and 3. Now add text on second slide and in Animations tab, select Appear in Animation pane. Click on Effect Options and select by letter. Change seconds as shown. Copy and paste the same text box on third slide and add text on first slide. Now select all slides and in Transitions tab, click on Morph Transition. Look how easy it is to make and how amazing they appear. If you like this video, please don't forget to follow me for more videos.